This topic's called classifying the graph of a function. So basically we are looking at a line. It's either going to be a line or a parabola. Okay, so the first four are all different types of lines, and the last two are different types of parabola. If the equation that you see on the left has an x squared, so it has to have an x squared, then it's a parabola. If the equation has an x or even no x, like it does in B, it's a line. So the slope is the number in front of your x, so the slope of the line. If it is positive, then it would be a line with a positive slope, which is the fourth column. If it is a negative slope, it'll be a line with a negative slope. If you have your function, so in function notation, as in B, f of x equals 2, it could be g of x equals 2 or h of x equals 2. But if it's just a number and you don't see an x at all, then it is a horizontal line. And if the equation looks like just x equals a number, then that's when you would choose the first one, the vertical line. The parabola will open up if the leading coefficient, so the number in front of x squared, is positive, and it will open down if it is negative. So the second to last column says parabola opening down. That would be if the number in front of your x squared is negative. And if you have a parabola opening up, that's if the number in front of your x squared is positive. So we'll fill this out here. We have g of x equals x plus 4. Because it's just an x, it's not an x squared, it is a line. The slope is 1, which is positive. So we're going to say it's a line with a positive slope. F of x equals 2. I don't see any x at all. F of x is my y, so this is a horizontal line. And in the last one, because we have a positive 2 in front of the x squared, it's a parabola and it opens upward. Okay, so we're going to look at another example here. G of x equals negative x squared plus x. It has an x squared and it's negative, so this is a parabola opening down. H of x equals x minus 3. The slope is a positive 1, so it's a line with a positive slope. And k of x equals 1 is a horizontal line. Let's look at another one just for fun. Here we have negative 4x plus 2. H of x equals that. And the negative 4 means it's a negative slope, so it's a line with a negative slope. G of x equals negative 5. Since that's just a number, it's a horizontal line. Here we have a negative x squared. So the x squared means it's a parabola, and because it's negative, it's opening down. And that's the end of the lesson.